Alright guys, so we're about to do a massive slay right now. It's 1:40 p.m. This is probably going to take me the whole day to do because it's really long hair and I gotta slay it. But I'm really a little bit annoyed because I thought that I could take it out the box and go straight into slayage, but I actually have to bleach these knots because they look crazy. So we're gonna get started on that immediately. Those who don't know what knots are, you see how you can see the little black dots? That's what knots are. Look at how long this wig is. Oh, the color. It's the color for me. Look at this. Beautiful. So after I bleached the knots, I obviously had to go ahead and blow dry. This took a very long time because the wig is very full and it is super long. So I just wanted to make sure that the hair was fully dry before I go on to the next step, which would be flat ironing and curling. One thing that I did notice as I was blow drying this wig is it did get a little frizzy as I was doing this. So that kind of worried me. I had to put a lot of heat on it to kind of just make it defrizz and use hair serums that did help in the process. So I'll link that down below. One of my favorite serums is the Garnier Fructis serum. Usually any serum from them because it doesn't leave an oily residue and it still gives the hair a nice shine. I'm also using a new curling iron that I was gifted by my uncle for Christmas, and woo, it is amazing. It is a T3 curling iron. I will link it down below. But again, the frizz went away once I added a lot of heat. So now it's time to install this fabulous unit. Obviously the lace is very light, so we're gonna get some powder foundation and we wanna make sure that we are coloring the inside of the lace just to make it match your skin color a little more. Next, I am going to be really using the hot comb and the curling iron for this wig mostly just to get the look that I'm going for. I like to make sure all the strands are out of the way. They are neatly combed back and it is just nice, flat, and it gives me more direction on how to cut the lace specifically or how I might want to cut this specific wig. So after that, I'm going to be using Gotta Be Glue holding hairspray. And again, I spray it over the lace sometimes. I spray it under the lace sometimes. It just depends on, I guess, my mood. And then I'm using the blow dryer to just go ahead. Guys, this is like my basic and typical install, so nothing really changed here. I am combing it out because I don't like when it's that stiff, crunchy look. So I do comb it out after I spray it down. And then I use my fingers to kind of smear in the holding spray so that it's not dripping or anything. Okay, so this hairline obviously is not going to work, but it's okay. Do not freak out. With wigs, it's all about trusting the process. And the way to fix this is with more hairspray, believe it or not. Now, don't go all out. Don't go crazy now. But spray the hairline again and use the back of a comb or the ends of a rat tail comb to just make it blend into your skin a little more. Okay, work it in. And before you know it, the crusty will be gone. Okay? Now I'm just going to pull some baby hairs out. I'm going to hot comb them forward. Please be careful. I have a burn mark on my forehead. It goes away after a while, but just be careful. Go ahead and cut your baby hairs super short and start scooping them things. For the big reveal. This looks so freaking good, guys. Like, I was highly impressed by my own doing. Okay, I did tie it down for a little bit, maybe like 20 minutes at most. And you know, these baby hairs, you don't have to keep it like this. You can brush them back. The point of doing this is to keep them going in that direction and to purposely lay forward, but you can make them look not so intentional if you really want to. Just comb it out. I had to do a few more curls to the front because they kind of dropped a little bit. The hair does hold a curl, but it doesn't hold it as long. So I did have to put some hairspray just to make it look really good. I did slightly layer it a little bit. Like, when I say a little bit, I mean a small amount, only really the front, because I wanted it to be a little bit shorter, as you guys probably seen in the intro. But that was pretty much it for this video. I loved this freaking wig. You guys know on Instagram I was all over the place with this wig. It's my favorite. I am not selling this one. It is mine to keep. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I showed you guys the side part, a middle part, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next one.